Who wants to attack?
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah, go. That's no. Yes. If he rolls over, very good. And you see what I'm violating?
His neck.
Your neck spine.
Yeah.
I don't want to be here.
Oh no, it's much easier.
Okay? I want to be here. How does this feel?
Worse.
And if I want to do something now, how does this feel? You have to come to see its face. I'm holding loose. No, I'm doing.
This is a gift wrap, sir.
You see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
His arm gets loose. Let's go. Yep. That's the famous knee lock force, right? So I do slow motion. And here, if you want to defend properly, pull it towards your shoulder. Yes. And this hooks on to my thigh.
Yes.
Cover more space.
Yes. You see that? And now stretch your leg out that the heel ends where your knee is.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, yeah.
Boom! And now do it in a combination. I throw you down. Let's go. Boom. If I grab here, just come up, follow the force. And how do you feel? So the first thing is
Just like standing.
pull, thrust. Yeah! See, I tried to do this. Pull, thrust. Yeah! Okay? If I want to go for this, Hühngök. No, from the outside, let's go. Yeah! Yeah, press your heel down, yeah! And if he now, slow motion please, pulls his knees towards his knee, towards his right shoulder, and tries to lower his foot next to his knee, my arm is gonna pop out.
So that's a modified omoplata.
You see?
Yeah.
Boom. But if I do Wing Chun, let's go.
Yeah, go back to even.
You see, I'm not doing this.
Back to the
Because, and I don't want to do something like this.
Yeah.
You feel the whole pressure here?
Yeah.
It goes this way. Now you kick here. Yes. You see, that's the sliding movement.
This is like
If you kick now, no, you thrust this out, but you lower your knee down. No, this thrusts out and your knee goes down. Ah! Keep it there.
yeah.
Aha! Do the kick again. Yep. Thank you.
Even if he pulls you in, he's pulling you into a kick.
Yes.
Another kick.
How does it feel?
Feels like you're standing up. Doesn't feel like you're fighting. You're just
Heels, ankles, wrist, knee, elbow, hip, shoulder.
Yes, sir.
If this is too much, thrust out and then come back.
the same leg.
Yeah.
Just like
It's just human style.
Yeah, yes.
I've never seen this version of leg pelling, so this is great.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
The moment I do here something, exchange this ankle with this heel. whatever I do. Same thing. The same thing.
It's like you're chain punching now.
And you see, he can do what? Drink a tea.
Look, he's super relaxed.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Look, to get up, to impose against force, I have to do,
Movements.
yes. And the moment here, when you feel that, pull your knee towards the shoulder and this thrusts out.
You're pulling him in always to a strike and
Back
pushing
in
him
the
away.
It's like holding back in.
It's like chain punch.
Yeah,
No,
you
it's
see?
like a rock. He's holding
Yes.
in my way.
Yes. If I roll you over, thrust out the heel. Yow.
Yeah.
How do you feel now? Now you see, look, aha! Do you see the difference now?
Yes, sir. I've never seen this version of leg pummeling that's like very offensive.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
That's like huge.
When I-
difference.
You see? But if you don't have this in mind,
Now, if you have just this,
you have to have a mind. This,
yeah.
Same thing with the hand. It's always facing the.
and this is a slight cut kick,
Kick.
a cut kick.
Oh, yeah.
And this thrusts out in the same moment.
You.
Because when it gets me here, I loosen up here, boom. When I start to do this, yes, thank you.
You put your head down closer to.
He just can't defend himself.
Kühnböck.
I don't know how you make things seem so simple.
This is such good leg pummeling, sir. I don't know why more jiu-jitsu guys are not doing it. This is
No, but it's a different.
Yes. Yes.
Don't have this. Don't even pay attention to your arms.
Yes, sir.
Okay? This is too close. Keep me a target. Whenever I go for this leg, this pulls towards your shoulder in that way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ja, Gurk.
Yes, sir.
And this one comes out.
Yes, sir.
No, no, no. Not from the outside.
Straight.
No, no, no. Hold on. Pull this one towards this, and this one,
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
you can even target my leg, okay? Yes. See, simple. Yeah. Yeah, and turn, full turn, chunk you. Yeah. You stand up, let him down. No, no, don't grab him. You stand up, knee lock force. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh.
And now, look, pursuing step towards his arm. Thank you. And the other arm too. Let's go.
He's done.
Yeah.
He's done.
So you see, guys.
I've never seen. I would have rather you put like a. Yeah, grabbed you. Yeah.
Andrew, you go down. So, explain it to you the same way. One leg is up. One. The virgin the first night, right? Okay. So when I go for this leg, it doesn't matter in what way. Either I want to do this, either I want to do this, or I want to grab. You pull the knee towards your shoulder.
Yes, sir.
That your heel goes this way, and this comes up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very good. Very good.